Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Mercedes C-Class Coupe in absolutely stunning condition. Very price range, you don't see many around this price, and certainly not in this condition. The car does not look like it's age or mileage. Absolutely stunning. Metallic blue wheels, absolutely immaculate and unmarked, diamond cut as they should be. Absolutely gleaming paintwork. Again, look at those alloys. The full AMG body styling kit with a larger rear diffuser, colour coded at the bottom with the twin exhausts. Look at that. In the sun, it's absolutely gleaming. Fantastic colour. Lovely colour combination with the leather, which I'll show you in a minute as well. So we've got the lovely light interior, got the heated 3-stage seats, the electric windows, absolutely immaculate in the back, tilt and slide factory panoramic roof, auto headlights, got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, 6-speed gearbox. I'll just start the car up. Starts beautifully. Satellite navigation. Reverse camera with park distance control. Different driving settings. Driver modes. Sport, comfort, eco, media pack, Bluetooth connectivity for phone and media, locking wheel nut, USBs. Absolutely fantastic condition, there's no wear on it. Looks like a £20,000 car. At DJH for full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.